Hi my loves! I missed you so much and I'm really so sorry I didn't post anything for such a long time, but I promised to make my best to post more videos because I had so many bright and beautiful moments for this year. But guys, don't think that I'll leave you alone, okay? So today we're gonna create this amazing look at it. This amazing trendy hairstyle that you can wear for every day or for a special occasion. So if you wanna know how to recreate this beautiful but also simple hairstyle, make sure to stay tuned.
First, I'll spray some dry shampoo to the roots of my hair because my hair today is a little flat. Then we'll make a parting on one side of our head like I'm showing here, and then we'll repeat these steps on other side as well. Make sure to clip away this section from both sides of our head. Now we'll brush our central section using a comb, making sure our hair is nice and smooth, so we can begin our French braid. Basically, we grab a small section of hair from the front, divide it into 3, and cross side strands over the middle one. Then we want to add more hair to the side strands before crossing over the middle one. So we want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the ends from this central section. So I decided to finish my braid about here and finish it with a simple 3-strand braid so it will not unravel. Then, grabbing the rest of our hair from this central section, we want to tie everything using an elastic. Make sure to pull a little bit hair to make our braid full and voluminous looking. Leave some hair out if you want in the front, and then because I feel like my hair is too short for this hairstyle, I decided to clip in 4 clips weft extension on my ponytail like I'm showing here, but this is totally optional. Now grabbing one section from one side of our braid, brush it and bring it backwards like I'm showing, and wrap it around our ponytail. In my case, I'm hiding with it my extensions, and also this will give a fancy look to our ponytail. And you're basically done!
Hope that you enjoyed this hairstyle so far, and I missed you so much your comments, and please don't forget to leave one here in comments down below and what hairstyles you'd like me more to make, okay? Thank you so much for tuning in. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new one. Love you guys so much. I hope to see you soon in my next video. See you soon. Bye.